students, hope you are doing well. Andhra Pradesh BTech admission process is organized by Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education, that is APSCHE, and the entrance exam is conducted by NTU, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Kakinada. It is a state level admission process that is purely based on the merit obtained in the entrance exam. Every year, at least 2 lakh students appear for the state level engineering entrance exam, and the competition for BTech admission in Andhra Pradesh is moderate. Intermediate second year students who are aspiring to pursue BTech in Andhra Pradesh must qualify for the entrance test to secure admission. Students can check all the details about Andhra Pradesh BTech admissions such as dates, eligibility criteria, selection process and other details from this video. Andhra Pradesh BTech admission dates. The candidates can check the video description for important dates for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission, where they can find the complete schedule for the exam. Now, let us look at some of the important points regarding Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. BTech admission at Andhra Pradesh is done purely on the basis of merit obtained in the entrance test. Andhra Pradesh BTech admission process is organized by Andhra Pradesh State Council for Higher Education, and the entrance exam is conducted by Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. Second year intermediate, that is class 12 students who are aspiring to join BTech course in Andhra Pradesh will have to clear the entrance exam in order to secure admission. After the announcement of engineering entrance exam result, the APSCHE will initiate the web counseling process for AP BTech admission. Now, let us look at the list of entrance exams that are accepted for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. The engineering colleges in Andhra Pradesh accept AP EAMCET score for BTech admission, although there are a limited number of colleges in AP that also consider JEE Main score for UG engineering admission, although these seats will refer to as the direct admission or the management quota seats, and the state quota seats will be filled only through the AP EAMCET scores. Therefore, Andhra Pradesh engineering aspirants must appear and qualify for the AP EAMCET exam in order to secure admission. Now, let us look at the eligibility criteria for AP BTech admission. The basic requirements. The applicants must be the citizens of India and must belong to the state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Now, let us look about the age limit. In order to secure engineering admission in Andhra Pradesh, the candidates must have completed 16 years of age as on December 31st of the year of admission. For BTech admission in Andhra Pradesh, there is no upper age limit. Let us look at the academic qualification requirement. The candidates must have passed intermediate, that is class 12, with physics, chemistry and mathematics as the main subjects, with at least 40 to 45% of marks. Students pursuing final year intermediate or waiting for their 12th results can also register for AP EAMCET exam. Now, let us look at the local status of students that has been migrated from Telangana to Andhra Pradesh and their eligibility requirement. A candidate who has migrated to Andhra Pradesh from Telangana within a period of 5 years shall be regarded as the local candidate in the state of Andhra Pradesh. This particular rule is applicable for the exam. These candidates must submit the documents as prescribed by APSCHE to verify. The pro forma of soft copy of Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3 will be available on the official website of AP EAMCET. Now, let us look at the admission process for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. Qualifying marks for AP EAMCET. The candidates belonging to general category must score a minimum 25% of the maximum marks in order to secure eligibility for engineering admission in Andhra Pradesh. For SC and ST category students, there is no minimum qualifying marks, and candidates must secure a non-zero score in AP EAMCET exam to get eligible. AP EAMCET ranking procedure. The candidates must have an AAPM set rank in order to register for the counseling process. The admission authority shall rank the candidates based on their APEM set normalized marks. During the normalized process, 75% of weightage is given for APM set score, while 25% of weightage will be given for the intermediate, that is 12th percentage marks. Rank obtained in APEM set will be valid for engineering admission in Andhra Pradesh. Preparation of merit list. APSCHE will prepare a merit list that will include the names of all the candidates who have qualified for APEM set as per the minimum eligibility marks prescribed by the admission authority. While preparing the merit list, rank and normalized score of the candidates will be considered. If more than one student secures the same combined score, the admission authority will resolve the tie on the basis of the total score secured in APM set. If the tie still persists, then the total marks secured in mathematics at 12th will be considered. If the tie still persists, the total marks secured in physics in 12th will be considered. In case of tie still being there, the aggregate marks scored in intermediate public exam will be considered. Although if the tie persists after considering all the above factors, the older candidate based on the date of birth will be given preference over the younger. Now let us look at the Andhra Pradesh BTech counselling process, which will consist of 4 steps: payment of counselling fee, document verification, exercising options and seat allotment. Let us look at the payment of counselling processing fee. The first stage in the Andhra Pradesh BTech counselling process is the payment of counselling processing fee. The BC/OC category candidates must pay Rs 1200, while for SC or SC candidates the counselling fee will be 600 rupees. The counselling fee can be paid online via credit card, debit card or internet banking. Document verification. Mostly the admission authority, through data obtained from various government departments, will verify the data of the candidates. Such candidates will immediately receive registration ID and login ID for option entry. These candidates are not required to go for document verification that will take place at the helpline centers. Although the candidates who have not received the registration ID and login ID, they will have to visit the nearest helpline centers and get their documents verified manually. Exercising options. After login, the candidates will receive a one-time password. The candidates will have to enter the password that has been received on their registered mobile and proceed for option entry. The candidates will have to select at least one or more districts to see the list of engineering colleges in those districts. Now, the candidates will have to click on the button that indicates display option entry form. A new page will be displayed with the list of college and the preference columns. The candidates will have to enter APEM set hall ticket number. The candidates can give preference to colleges and courses by giving them numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. After the completion of option entry, the candidates will have to click on the logout button. 3 options will be displayed now. If the candidates wants to confirm the option entry, they will have to click on confirm and log out. Now let us look at the selection process for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. The selection of the candidates for BTech admission in Andhra Pradesh is completely based on the rank and normalized score secured in the APEM set exam. The reservation policies of the state government will be applicable to reserved category candidates, and equal preference is given to them during the selection process. The selection is based on the order of merit of the candidate. Now, let us look at the reservation policy for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. The Andhra Pradesh BTech admission is strictly bound to the reservation policies of the state government. The candidates belonging to the reserved categories will have a specific number of seats reserved for them during the admission process. Equal representation is given for general and reserved category candidates during the centralized admission process. The admission authority, that is APSCHE, fills only 70% of seats in BTech courses available in all engineering colleges across the state. Respective college managements under management quota or NRI quota fill the rest of the 30% seats. Now, let us look at some of the top BTech colleges in Andhra Pradesh. Geetam, deemed to be University Visakhapatnam, Centurion University of Technology and Management Vizianagaram, Aditya College of Engineering, Adi Kavi Nannaya University College of Engineering, ANU College of Engineering Technology, Dhanikula Institute of Engineering and Technology, Andhra University College of Engineering and Sri Vidya Niketan Engineering College. That's all for today. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can find us at the given link. Other than that, you can also fill our common application form at the provided link for further admission related assistance. For more updates, stay tuned to College Dekho, and also do not forget to check the video description for other related articles for Andhra Pradesh BTech admission. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.